So first we're going to start off with the square, and we're going to fold it into thirds in one direction, and then rotate it 90 degrees and fold it into thirds again. So here I'm going to turn it and do the other side. The result should look like a hashtag or like a tic-tac-toe board. This part's pretty straightforward. Now we're going to flip the paper over. We're going to take each corner and fold it up to 2/3 up, basically, to the intersection of that previous fold. Then we're going to crease only the bottom left side of the fold. This will help us with the eventual pinwheel collapse. Eventually everything will be creased nice and tight, but I find that only creasing this bottom part of the fold at this point will help us with the collapse into the puzzle purse shape. So now we're going to collapse the puzzle purse. I'm juicing the little diagonal folds here. What we're going to do is we're going to pinch the top of each of them, and that's going to help us collapse them into each other in a counterclockwise direction. Boop, boop, boop. Let's see. There you go. 3 of them fold nicely. The 4th one gets a little stuck, so you can see I retrieve it from the other folds and fold it amongst the others. And then it all should kiss together into an X shape, and then you're welcome to fold the rest of the pinwheel flat. Alright, so finally we are going to fold the pocket into its final shape. There, I unfolded just to show off the collapse again. Here we're going to fold the wings into each other counterclockwise. What really matters is that you do it in succession, in order, and the 4th and final wing should tuck into the first wing that was folded down, and that's what creates the nice tight little pocket purse. You can write on the other side. You can find this particular design on my Etsy, which I'll link in the description. Thanks so much.